Hello and welcome to this Rhapsody Tip of the Day video. This video explains how to quickly access the Rhapsody Share directory. One of the most important Rhapsody directories is the Rhapsody Share directory. It contains many important content and settings of the Rhapsody installation, including profiles, properties, framework, and configurations. This directory is usually centrally managed and made available to the developer via distribution mechanisms, for example shared network or with version control software. If you want to check certain settings, for example compiler integration, and you do not know where the directory is located, you can be ending up searching for it forever. This is frustrating and doesn't need to happen. There's a simple trick to find the shared directory quickly. For example, to check your compiler settings if necessary. In Tools, Customize Helpers, create a new menu entry called Open Rhapsody Share. Type explorer.exe into the command field and provide $omroot as argument. omroot is a Rhapsody variable which specifies the location of the Rhapsody Share directory. Now, inside Rhapsody, you are able to open the Windows File Explorer pointing to your current share directory to check your settings. The files to call the compiler, for example, are located in the etc directory. In the case of Cygwin integration, there is a cygwinmake and cygwinrun file. setPath should point to the location of the Cygwin compiler. If necessary, you are now able to change the path yourself. That's it. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you and goodbye.